Here we are at the beehive. Down in here is the bees. You can see that they're doing their jobs. I've already had them all out, so this is the quick tour. I did see the queen. She's looking beautiful and productive. You can feel air blowing through the hive. What an awesome thing. Anyway, look at that. It's an amazing beehive. And it's my beehive. This is where the action is, down in here. Look at all those beautiful girls and boys and everybody working together. Honey is being made. That's about it from the beehive. Cheers.